is OR4 ISS, International Space Station for the school contact. This is OR4 ISS, the International Space Station, looking for Italia Zulu 5 November India, India. Italia Zulu 5 November Italy, Italy. This is this is the International Space Station, Oscar Romeo 4 ISS. Buongiorno, buongiorno, come va? See, I am ready for the questions. I have your signal now, almost 5 by 9. We may have to go to backup if there's too much interference, over. Italia Zulu 5 November India, India, India. This is Oscar Romeo 4 ISS. Italia Zulu 5 November India, India. This is NA1S. This is OR4 ISS. Do you copy? Yes, I have your signal. Now it's 4 by 8. 4 by 8. I'm ready for the first question, por favore. This is OR4 ISS, Mike speaking, and I did not hear anything, over. Hello, hello, I hear the first question now. And aboard the International Space Station, we work on a lot of scientific projects, and we also work on a lot of engineering projects so that we can make the technology better so that human beings can go to space. And customers, nice to hear your voice. And there are 15 countries that work on ISS. And each country gets as much, they get as much work based on how much percentage that they do it. So Italia is one of our partners, and so Italy gets some work on the ISS based on how much Italy contributes, over. Oh, Daisy, it's as we leave the ground and come up to the station and go back. Yes, we live in a small place for a few days, but it's not too bad. But once we get aboard the space station, we have a lot of room, so it's even better up here, over. Yes, that's what we are working here on the International Space Station. Part of our task is to develop the technology so that we know how to go to the moon. And if I were ever asked to go to the moon, well, that's a very good question. I did not notice any smell inside the ISS because I live here for a long time, but sometimes people say it has a small smell like maybe some machinery or some oil or something small like that, but no smell inside, over. Yes, we are still close to the planet Earth. We're only about 300 kilometers away from the surface, so we still have the magnetic field, which is good because it helps protect us from the radiation, over. Yes, we keep the atmosphere on the ISS very much like planet Earth. We have the same amount of oxygen and the same amount of nitrogen, and we take out the carbon dioxide that we breathe. So it's a very normal atmosphere, so everything sounds right and feels right, over. 16 times each day. That means 16 sunrises, 16 sunsets. To cope with it, though, when we're sleeping, for example, we close all the windows and and turn out the lights. So for us, it is dark during the sleep time and light during the wake time. Over. Yes, I trained for 4 years in United States and in Canada, in Germany, and in Japan, as well as Russia. I spent a lot of time in Russia getting ready for this mission. So International Space Station means international training, and it took a long time. Over. Well, first, we try not to get sick, but if we do get sick, we have medicines on board, and we have some medical equipment. None of us are doctors, but we can call a doctor at any time, and our doctors will help take care of us. And if somebody got super sick, very, very sick, we can always go back. We have a lifeboat, which is the Russian Soyuz spacecraft. Over. My family and friends are very supportive. My children, they miss me because I'm not home very often, and I'm up here in space. But my family is very excited. Over.